We'll guide you through how to run a Python file on a Windows PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
For this, first go to your browser and search Python download. Go to the first link. Here, scroll down. Here you can choose the version you want. I am downloading the latest 3.14 version. Click on it. Now here, scroll down again. Here, choose the installer for your system. For me, it is the 64-bit installer. Click on it. Now, after the installer is downloaded, then click on the downloaded file. Here, click on add python.exe to path. Then click on customize installation. Here, click on for all users. Then click on next. Now click on install Python 3.14 for all users. Then click on install. Now click yes on the pop-up. Now wait for a few minutes while the installation completes. After the installation is complete, click on close. Now search and open command prompt. Here type the following: python space dash dash version. Click enter. Here you can see Python 3.14 is successfully installed. Now to run the Python file, go to the folder location where the file is located. Now here on the top bar, click on it, type cmd and click on enter. Now here you need to type the following: python space and type the file name. Then click on enter. Here you can see the output of the Python file.